Hello everyone, how you guys all doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be working on a 10-inch round canvas, and as you can see I already put the base color on. It's a custom green. I'm just showing you right now the consistency of the paint is on the thick side. It leaves a mount when I pour it off the popsicle stick back into the cup. So just mix your paint, 1 part paint, 1 part pouring medium. You can add a bit of water to it to thin to that consistency where, I just showed you, it leaves a mount on a mount. That's a term that we use here in the acrylic pouring community. All right, I'm just using a combination of white and yellow, some soft yellow. I just wanted to do a white flower, but not really true white, maybe like an off-white. This was an experiment for me, and just wanted to see where this one goes. You're gonna notice that when I swipe, I did swipe to expose the base color. I was really going for that. I know in some of my previous videos I encourage you not to, especially when you're just learning. You might see it as, oh my gosh, this is not working out, and you just want to get solid colors. It also depends on the colors that you're using, right? If you're using more opaque colors, swiping to expose your base color might not be too ideal, but just watch and see if you like this one. What have you learned from it, or whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section below. All right guys, this is my channel is all about fluid art, acrylic pouring, and I do love to do flowers, and this is a creation that I have come up with, the spoon swipe technique to create flowers. I created Dahlia flower. This one is somewhat like a dahlia, but I finish it different. Guys, just enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I thank you so much, and I really do appreciate it. Do stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result. Thank you.